Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Cottagecore aesthetic interior decorating inspiration. Let's start the video. Cottagecore aesthetic interior decor is a soft, nostalgic design style inspired by simple countryside living. It romanticizes a peaceful life close to nature. Think of cozy cottages, handmade items, vintage charm, and a solo, meaningful lifestyle. It is not just about how a room looks, it is about how it feels warm, gentle, lived in, and connected to nature. Cottagecore interiors create a mood that is calm and comforting, like a quiet morning in the countryside. Romantic and nostalgic, inspired by old items and simple living. Nature connected, filled with plants, flowers, and natural light. Soft and dreamy. Nothing harsh or overly modern. You are designing a space that feels like a storybook cottage rather than a modern showroom. Cottagecore is not just decoration, it reflects a slower, more intentional way of living, baking, gardening, reading, and crafting, enjoying quiet moments and simple pleasures, creating a home that feels personal and soulful. Cottagecore interior decor is about turning your home into a cozy, nature-inspired, vintage storybook cottage filled with warmth and simplicity. Here are deeper, more creative tips to help you truly bring Cottagecore to life. Not just decorate, but create a feeling. Let natural light become part of the decor. Use sheer or lace curtains to filter sunlight. Keep windows slightly open when possible for a fresh air fill, and a window seat or corner chair to enjoy light and views. Soft natural light is one of the biggest mood creators in Cottagecore. Decorate with imperfect beauty. Don't aim for perfection. Embrace aged, worn, and handmade items. Slightly chipped pottery or faded fabrics add character. Mix old and new without making it look staged. Cottagecore loves stories, not perfection. Create cozy corners. Build a reading nook with books, blankets, and a lamp. Add a small table for tea or journaling. Use rugs and cushions to define the space. Even one cozy corner can transform your whole home vibe. Rooted decor with the seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers and pastel tones. Summer, use herbs, light fabrics, and airy feel. For autumn, use warm colors, dried leaves, and pumpkins. For winter, use candles, thick blankets, and soft lighting. Cottagecore is deeply connected to natural rhythm. Use warm and soft lighting, not harsh light. Replace bright white lights with warm tone bulbs, add candles, fairy lights, or vintage-style lamps. Use multiple small light sources instead of one big light. Lighting should feel like a gentle glow, not a spotlight. Display everyday items as decor. Show off jars, teacups, books, and baskets. Hang mugs, display folded linens. Use open shelving. Turn practical items into visual charm. In Cottagecore, useful equal beautiful. Bring the outdoors inside. Use wildflowers, branches, herbs, and greenery. Try dried flowers for long-lasting decor. Keep it natural, not overly arranged. It should feel like nature, untainted, not was placed perfectly. Add personal handmade touches. Display your crochet embroidery on DIY crafts. Frame handwritten recipes or notes. Add things that reflect your personality. Cottagecore is most beautiful when it feels personal. Cottagecore is not about buying everything new. It is about slowing down, choosing meaningful pieces, and creating a home that feels soft, lived in, and full of quiet joy. Mix patterns the soft way. Combine florals, gingham, stripes, and lace. Keep colors in the same soft palette, pastel or earthy tones. Let open pattern be dominant, others subtle. It should feel layered, not chaotic. Don't match everything. Use different chairs, tables, and finishes. Mix wood tones instead of matching sets. Let each feel like it has its own story. A little mismatch equals a lot of charm. Create a solo living display. Style a small area with tea sets, books, or baking tools. Use wooden trays or linen cloths. Keep it simple and beautiful. It should look like a quiet moment paused in time. Use mirrors to add soft depth. Choose vintage style or slightly edged mirrors. Place them near windows to reflect light. Smaller mirrors grouped together work beautifully. Mirrors make spaces feel dreamy and open. Add gentle rustic elements. Include raw wood, stone, or open texture. A simple wooden tools or create can become thicker. Keep it natural, not overly polished. Cottagecore loves a touch of countryside roughness. Tell a story with your walls. Use botanical prints, vintage art, or pressed flowers. Create a soft gallery wall, not too perfect. Mix frames. Use wood, gold, or painted. Your walls should feel like pages of a gentle storybook. Keep empty space, don't overfill. Leave breathing room between decor pages. Focus on quality and feeling, not quantity. Let light and air flow naturally. Too much decor can break the calm cottagecore mood. Add gentle movement. Use light curtains, hanging plants, or fabrics. Let things move slightly with air. Move a soft breeze adds life to your space. Movement makes your home feel alive and peaceful. Cottagecore becomes magical when you stop decorating and start creating moments. A chair that invites you to sit, a table that feels ready for tea, a window that feels like a quiet escape. It is less about design rules and more about gentle living captured in a space. Design for different times of day. Morning, use light fabrics, fresh flowers, and open windows. For afternoon, use reading corners and soft shadows. For evening, use candles and warm lamps. For night, use fairy lights, calm minimal lighting. Your home should change mood throughout the day. Use soft scents as invisible decor. Use lavender, rose, vanilla, or herbal scents. Keep giant herbs or flowers in small bundles. Avoid strong artificial fragrances. Cottagecore is also about what your home smells like. Let some areas feel slightly undone. Leave a blanket casually folded. Keep a book open on a table. Let spaces feel used, not staged. A little imperfection makes everything feel real. Use baskets everywhere but purposefully. Store blankets, yarn, books, or flowers. Use wall hanging baskets for texture. Stick to natural tones like beige and brown. Baskets add warmth and function. Create a natural table. Dedicate a small surface to leaves, flowers, stone, or seasonal items. Change it with the seasons. Keep it simple and meaningful. It is like bringing a tiny page of outdoors inside. Add a sense of time and history. Use old clocks, letters, books, or vintage photos. Display items that feel nostalgic. Even replicas can create that timeless note. Cottagecore spaces feel like they have always existed. Think about sound. Yes, really. It's wind chimes or natural sound. Keep the environment calm and quiet. Even silence can be part of the aesthetic. Sound shapes the emotional atmosphere. At this stage, Cottagecore becomes less about objects and more about sensory storytelling. Hot you say, soft and layered beauty. Hot you feel, comfort and calm. Hot you smell, nature and warmth. Hot you hear, quiet and gentle life. When all this comes together, your home does not just look Cottagecore, it feels like a beautiful little world of its own. The philosophy behind Cottagecore. Cottagecore is rooted in a quiet idea. A simple life, close to nature, is beautiful and meaningful. It romanticizes slowing down instead of rushing, creating instead of consuming, living gently instead of intensely. In interior design, this translates to spaces that feel soft, calm, and nurturing, personal and imperfect, and connected to nature and time. It is almost a reaction against modern life. Less technology, more touch, texture, and emotion. Emotional and physiological impact. Cottagecore interiors affect how you feel in powerful ways. Reduce stress, soft colors, and natural materials calm the mind. Create safety. Cozy layers and warm lighting feel protective. Encourages mindfulness. Solo activities like reading tea and crafting builds nostalgia. Vintage elements remind us of simpler times. That is why Cottagecore spaces often feel like a safe escape. Key design principles. Band basics. State of rules. Think in these deeper principles. Softness over sharpness. Rounded shapes, flowing fabrics, and gentle edged. Avoid harsh lines or ultra-modern finishes. Story over perfection. Every object should feel like it has a past. Even new items should look meaningful. Nature over artificial. Real textures use wood, cotton, and clay, with plants, flowers, and seasonal elements. Comfort over trend. If it is not cozy or inviting, it doesn't belong. Cottagecore has similar styles. It is easy to confuse Cottagecore with other styles. Here's how it differs from house, more practical and rustic. Our Cottagecore is softer and romantic. Shabbatic, elegant and polished. And Cottagecore is more natural and simple. Boho, bold and eclectic. And Cottagecore is calmer and muted. Minimalist, clean and empty. And Cottagecore is layered and cozy. Cottagecore sits between rustic simplicity and romantic softness. Cultural and visual inspiration. Cottagecore draws inspiration from old countryside homes like English and European rural life, nature, gardens, forests, and seasons, traditional crafts like crochet, embroidery, and baking, storybook, and vintage imagery. It often feels like stepping into a quiet countryside morning, a handwritten letter from the past, a solo peaceful day with no rush. The role of time in Cottagecore. Time is a big part of this aesthetic. Spaces feel aged, not new. Objects look like they have been used and loved. Nothing feels rushed or temporary. Cottagecore homes feel like they have grown over years, not decorated in a weekend. Modern adaptation, real life living. Even in a modern apartment, you can still achieve cottagecore by using soft textiles and natural colors, adding plants, flowers, and light fabrics, mixing simple furniture with vintage touches, keeping things cozy, not crowded. You don't need a countryside cottage, you just need the feeling. Cottagecore interior decor is not just a style, it is a quiet rebellion against fast, modern life, a way of saying, I choose softness, slowness, and simple beauty. When you understand this, every decor choice becomes more meaningful. At its highest level, Cottagecore is not about decorating a room anymore. It is about creating a space where time feels slower, light feels softer, life feels quieter and more meaningful. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me.